Okay, so this is $5. This is $5. Okay, these are some nice looking toes. These is just some nice looking toes. Okay. I like when they have the little toes like that, like the little hoof. Real cute. And we are going to soak this for like a good hour in some water, vinegar, and lemon. White vinegar is fine. I don't have any lemon, but we're just gonna let this soak to clean and, you know, scrub it. Get it nice and clean. It is time to season, y'all. We're gonna start off with some browning. Big Mama chicken. Oh, clump that fell in there. Okay. Garlic powder. Onion powder. I honestly don't know which one is which. I know they're two different ones. Big Mama chicken. Oh, a little paprika. And then now we got the onion and the green peppers that I had chopped up the other day. And then we're gonna have a spoonful of garlic. Oh! It's gonna be so good. I want some greens. I want to get some pepper greens. Okay, mix. Ooh, smells good already. Ooh, your feet smell good, baby. Okay, we're gonna let this marinate. Okay, for as long as you can. If you can let it marinate overnight, good for you. But I'm gonna try to let it marinate for at least 20 minutes. Hot pan, hot pot. Scrape all of that goodness into there. This part, we're just browning it, so you're gonna cook it on high, okay? Like, make sure it gets all the sides or whatever. And then we're gonna, you know, cook it on low. So let this shit cook on high for like 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, the baby's eating his risotto over there. And now, I'm gonna pour in some chicken broth. This is my favorite chicken broth. It's in the Asian market if you can find it. It looks like this. I love it. I think I'm gonna do 2 cans. I think I can do 2 cans. Because I really want it submerged in there. What the fuck is that again? Found you. Two cans, Sam. Okay, it's nicely covered. We're gonna let this come to a boil and then we're gonna turn it on low. But let's soak up all the seasoning on the side. Let's scrape it into. All right, you see now it's boiling. Close the top, turn it all the way down to low for 1 hour. Yummy, you wanna get in the pool? Come on, we go in the pool. In the meantime, we're gonna go in the pool. I've been out here trying to tan my inner arms because it's so fucking pale.
Yeah, y'all.
He shot you in your ear. Where's that baby? Zai. Nana. Refill. Okay. It's really just me and Javon that eats pig feet, so woo. It's coming along. It's looking good. The color's looking great. All right, we're gonna use more time. Close it back up, keep it on low. Okay, so it's not ready, but I like to eat it before it gets too tender. I actually like it like this. I told Jessica to pick some greens because I want to put some greens up in here. I'm gonna cook the rest of them more tender, but I like it like this. I don't know. I think Javon might like it like this too. Too good. I gotta order a pizza for Mr. Stretch. You want pig feet, babe?
I don't eat no motherfucking pig feet, man.
You want no pig feet, babe? You want Pizza Hut? Okay, just because you brought me some collard greens, I washed them. I trimmed them up a little bit. We're gonna add them to the pig feet. Where are my scamming ass bitches? Shut up. Okay, make. Okay, then we're gonna step this up. Make sure the greens is covered. We're gonna add some crushed red peppers in here because it needs to cook. Ew. It's gonna be so good.
Ew. My dad is kind of chawed, guys.
London is here. Cheese, hello.
Hi.
Okay, keep it on low, okay? Probably for another 45 minutes, so we're gonna let that go low. All right, I make this kind of Asian. Let's add a little bit of fish sauce and a little bit of sugar. A little bit of sugar, cut out the bitterness from the greens. Oh, it's gonna be so good, yeah. Oh, looks so yummy. Ooh, look at this. Oh, smoky. It's smoky. I put on some rice. All right. Look at that. Mmm. Thanks. My seasoning. Well. Ooh, it's hot. Fresh off the stove. Mmm. Me and J-Ball gonna finish this whole pot by tonight. Huh? We're gonna finish this whole pot by tonight. J-Ball on a diet. Yeah, but he loves pig feet. It's skin and fat, so if you don't like skin and fat, you're not gonna like pig feet. There's no meat, yeah. Mmm. It's collagen. Mmm, hot. 10 out of 10. Bye, guys. So yummy.
Huh?
Mmm.